Welcome to the last day of staycation. I mean, for Diane. For me, I still have 2 more days.
Yes, you do.
Today we're gonna make this one over here.
I used to subscribe to Martha Stewart Living, and in every magazine she had this page that would rip out, and usually it had an entree, a side, an appetizer, and a dessert. I had torn the house apart looking for this recipe numerous times since we moved, but we found it while we were cleaning out all the files. So yeah, so we're making this. Here's the recipe for anyone who's interested. You can pause. Yeah. All right, let's get started. The master of grading. Yes, folks, we ought to have high-class stuff on this show. Can you name that quote?
Nope.
The Country Bears.
Oh, okay.
We've never used the broiler in this oven. They replaced our oven about, I don't know what, 4 months ago? Mm-hmm. Can you get up, baby?
Yeah.
So yeah, we have to, New York City apartments don't often have enough storage, so whenever we need to use the oven, we have to take everything that we store out of it and put it somewhere. I haven't been making too much of an appearance today. I'm still feeling really crappy. But thank goodness I have my Papi Chulo, because he has done so much for me this past week, and I can't thank him enough. I'm a very, very lucky woman. And I'm also very hungry. We're gonna have some asparagus too. Oh, how much time for the timer?
5 minutes.
Alexa, 4 minutes on the timer, please.
4 minutes, starting now.
I guess we talked for about a minute. Yum, this is what it looks like. We put it under the broiler, 5 minutes on each side. Chewy likes his meat. The thicker ones get to be about medium. We have some asparagus. I like the thin ones because they get a little crunchy. Yum! Here comes Andy. Say hello, my kitty cat. Do you smell something? And we're gonna finish with some cotton candy grapes. How are they today, babe?
They're really good.
Yeah?
Yep.
Keeping the camera like this, so there we go. You having a good day?
Yep.
You still got 2 more days of vacation.
I do.
For an interesting read, Google cotton candy grapes and read what goes into growing these, and you'll understand why that little bowl cost us $7. They're expensive to make, but it's a long process to make them. But yum, they're so good. Somebody's making biscuits, but his nails, we need to cut his nails. Look how long he keeps getting caught. Oh, buddy. Buddy. Hello, my love. Hi. Monkey.